Hey everyone, Elango here. You know, in this day and age, streaming is king. Everyone's got their favorite platform, whether it's Netflix, Hulu, or Disney+. But let's be real, sometimes those monthly subscriptions can add up. And honestly, sometimes you just want to kick back and watch a great movie without breaking the bank. Well, guess what? You absolutely can. There are tons of totally legal and free streaming sites out there just waiting to be discovered. And that's what we're diving into today. Get ready to ditch those subscription fees and unlock a world of free entertainment. We're talking thousands of movies across every genre you can imagine, all completely free. First up, we have Tubi. Now, if you haven't heard of Tubi, you're in for a treat. Think of it as the free version of your favorite streaming giant. They've got a massive library of movies and TV shows spanning every genre, from action and comedy to documentaries and classics. And the best part, you don't have to shell out a single dollar to enjoy it. Now, I know what you're thinking. What's the catch? Well, there's always a catch, right? With Tubi, it's ads. Just like watching regular TV, you'll have a few commercial breaks here and there. But hey, look at it this way. You're getting free entertainment. A few ads are a small price to pay for access to such a vast selection of movies, wouldn't you say? Next up, we've got Plex. Now, Plex is a little different. It's not just a free movie streaming site, it's more like a personal media platform. You can actually use it to organize and stream all your own movies, music, and photos too. But don't worry, you don't need a mountain of personal media to take advantage of Plex's free movie offerings. They've got a really solid selection of free movies and TV shows that you can start watching instantly. Just create an account, it's totally free, and you're good to go. And just like Tubi, Plex is ad-supported, so expect a few commercial breaks along the way. Up next, we have Crackle. Ever heard of it? Well, get this, it's actually owned by Sony. That's right, the same Sony behind Spider-Man and those amazing noise-cancelling headphones. They've got a free streaming service, and it's called Crackle. Now, Crackle is all about movies and TV shows, and they even have some original content you won't find anywhere else. And here's the kicker, you don't even need an account to start watching. That's right, just head over to the website and start streaming. But if you do decide to create a free account, and I recommend you do, you can save your favorite movies to watch later and even pick up where you left off. Pretty cool, right? Chapter 4, Pluto TV, live TV and on-demand movies? Yes, please. Now, for all you channel surfers out there, Pluto TV is a dream come true. Imagine this, live TV completely free. That's right. Pluto TV offers hundreds of live channels covering everything from news and sports to movies and reality TV. But wait, there's more. Pluto TV also has a great on-demand movie library, so you can watch your favorite flicks whenever you want. It's like having cable, but without the hefty monthly bill. Again, Pluto TV is ad-supported, but with so much free content at your fingertips, who's really complaining? Chapter 5, Freevee, formerly IMDb TV. Amazon's free streaming gem. Okay, let's talk about Freevee, formerly known as IMDb TV. You know Amazon, right? Well, they're not just about online shopping and delivering packages at lightning speed. They're also in the free streaming game. Freevee has a really impressive library of movies and TV shows, and they're always adding new titles. Now, you will need an Amazon account to use Freevee, but don't worry, you don't need Amazon Prime or anything like that. A regular free Amazon account will do the trick, and once you're in, you've got access to hours upon hours of free entertainment. Chapter 6, the Roku channel, free streaming, Roku or no Roku. Alright, next up we've got the Roku channel. Now, you might be thinking, wait a minute, don't I need a Roku device for that? And the answer is, you used to, but not anymore. While the Roku channel is definitely a great perk of owning a Roku streaming device, they've actually branched out. You can now access the Roku channel on their website, meaning you can watch it on your laptop, tablet, or even your phone. And trust me, it's worth checking out. They've got a fantastic selection of free movies, TV shows, and even live TV channels. And just like some of the other platforms we've talked about, no account is needed. Chapter 7, YouTube. It's not just cat videos and makeup tutorials. I know what you're thinking. YouTube for movies? Seriously, but hear me out. YouTube has come a long way from its early days of grainy home videos and viral cat clips. They've actually got a dedicated section for free movies. That's right, you can find tons of free movies on YouTube. completely legally and totally free. Just type free movies into the search bar and prepare to be amazed. Now, the selection can be a little hit or miss, and the quality might not always be top-notch, but hey, it's YouTube. You never know what hidden gems you might uncover. Chapter 8. Vudu free movies on us. Don't mind if I do. Okay, let's talk about Vudu. Now, Vudu is primarily known for its movie rentals and digital purchases, but here's a little secret. They've also got a pretty sweet selection of free movies. That's right, you can watch thousands of movies on Vudu without spending a dime. Just look for the Movies on Us section and you're good to go. Now, keep in mind that just like most free streaming services, Vudu's free movie selection is ad-supported. But hey, free movies are free movies, right? Chapter 9. Sumo, play-on-demand movies and live TV all in one place. Alright, let's talk about Xumo Play. Now, Xumo Play is another fantastic option for anyone who loves the idea of free live TV and on-demand movies all in one place. They've got a really great selection of live channels covering everything from news and sports to comedy and entertainment. And if you're in the mood for a movie, they've got you covered there too. Xumo Play has a decent library of on-demand movies, so you can always find something to watch. And the best part, you don't even need to create an account.
And action.
Alright, bookworms and knowledge seekers, this one's for you. Canopy is a free streaming service that partners with libraries and universities to provide access to thousands of movies, documentaries and educational videos. That's right, your library card just got a whole lot more valuable. Now, Canopy's selection is definitely geared towards more independent and thought-provoking films. So if you're looking for the latest blockbuster hits, this might not be the platform for you. But if you love documentaries, indie films and classic cinema, you're in for a real treat with Canopy. Alright, let's talk about Peacock. You know, NBC, right? The home of Friends, The Office and all those Law and Order shows. Well, they've got their own streaming service and it's called Peacock. And the best part, they've got a free tier with a surprisingly good selection of movies and TV shows. Now, keep in mind that not everything on Peacock is free. They do have a premium tier with even more content, but their free tier is definitely worth checking out. Alright, all you classic movie buffs, this one's for you. FilmRise is a free streaming service that specializes in, you guessed it, classic movies. They've got a huge library of films from Hollywood's golden age, all the way up to more recent cult classics. So if you're a fan of black and white films, film noir or classic comedies, FilmRise is definitely worth checking out. And the best part, you don't even need to create an account. Alright, let's talk about Popcorn Flicks. This is another great option for anyone who just wants to kick back and watch a movie without any hassle. Popcorn Flicks has a really solid selection of movies, covering a wide range of genres, and they're always adding new titles. And the best part? You don't need to create an account, and there are no hidden fees or subscriptions. Just head over to their website or download the app and you're good to go. Alright, we're back to the library. Remember Canopy? Well, Hoopla is another fantastic streaming service that partners with libraries to provide free entertainment. With Hoopla, you can borrow movies, TV shows, audiobooks, ebooks, and even comics, all for free with your library card. Now, the selection will vary depending on your library, but most libraries offer a really great variety of content on Hoopla. Alright, all you nostalgia buffs, this one's for you. Retrovision is a free streaming service that's all about classic TV shows and movies. They've got a huge library of content from the 1950s all the way up to the 1990s, so you can relive your childhood favorites or discover some hidden gems from the past. And the best part? You don't need to create an account or provide any payment information. Just head over to their website and start streaming. Alright, let's talk about the Internet Archive. Now, the Internet Archive is a non-profit organization that's dedicated to preserving digital content, and they've got a massive library of free movies, TV shows, books, music, and more. Now, the Internet Archive's movie selection is definitely geared towards older public domain films, so you won't find the latest blockbusters here. But if you're a fan of classic cinema, silent films, or B-movies, the Internet Archive is a treasure trove of free entertainment. Okay, Yidio is a little different from the other platforms we've talked about. Yidio isn't actually a streaming service itself. Instead, it's more like a search engine for streaming services. You tell Yidio what you want to watch, and it scours all the major streaming platforms, including the free ones, to find you the best option. So, if you're ever looking for a particular movie or TV show and you don't want to waste time searching across multiple platforms, Yidio is your new best friend. Alright, calling all indie film lovers. Snag Films is a free streaming service that's dedicated to showcasing independent films, documentaries, and foreign films. They've got a really curated selection of movies that you won't find on your typical streaming platform, so if you're looking for something a little different, Snag Films is definitely worth checking out. And the best part, you don't need to create an account. Just head over to their website or download the app, and you're ready to start streaming. Alright, let's wrap up our list with a trip back in time. Classic Cinema Online is a free streaming service that's dedicated to preserving and showcasing classic films from Hollywood's golden age. They've got a huge library of movies from the 1920s all the way up to the 1960s. So if you're a fan of classic Hollywood glamour, this is the platform for you. And just like many of the other platforms we've talked about, Classic Cinema Online is completely free and doesn't require an account. Last but not least, we have Top Documentary Films. As the name suggests, this platform is all about documentaries. They've got a vast library of documentaries covering a wide range of topics from history and science to nature and culture. So if you're looking to learn something new or just want to be entertained by real-life stories, Top Documentary Films is a great option. And the best part, it's completely free. Just head over to their website and start exploring their extensive documentary library. And there you have it, folks, the top 20 free movie streaming sites that prove you don't need a subscription to enjoy great entertainment. From classic films to indie darlings and even live TV, there's something for everyone on this list. Remember, always make sure to use a secure internet connection and be cautious of suspicious websites. Stick to the platforms on this list and you'll be streaming safely and legally. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your popcorn, find a comfy spot on the couch and get ready to dive into a world of free movies. Happy streaming.